Welcome back you guys to another video. In this video, I'll be going over my year-to-date performance on my Robinhood account. It was definitely the wildest year I've ever traded in my 4 years of trading. I continue to learn and adapt according to market conditions. This year, I made $38,786. That's a 96% return in profits. My goal was to reach $100,000 by the end of the year. At one point this week, my account reached $90,000 but had a pullback. I will also go over some of the lessons I've learned this year for long-term success. If you're new here, welcome to Options Temple, where we attempt to enter our trades and investments at the best possible time. When it comes to options, timing is everything. I like to invest heavily in stocks and use options as a tool to supplement my stock positions. Make sure to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. I want to start off by saying that I made a total of around $40,000 of deposits throughout this year into my Robinhood account. I also have other accounts with other brokers and was focusing on those accounts from January until June. I didn't start trading my Robinhood account until June. This is why you see a pretty flat start. Around mid-July, I began taking losses. My biggest drawdown was in August with a $15,300 38% correction. I was at the edge of my seat at this time. I was trading risky naked Tesla calls and I managed to save my account in about 2 weeks after the account downturn. By September 1st, I was up $4,000 profitable. That was a wild 3 months to stomach. From September all the way to November, I began to slowly give back my gains with aggressive naked options. I was once again at the verge of losing my account with a downtrend of losses. Throughout this year, I continued to test different complicated option strategies. I tried everything: selling naked puts, iron condors, butterflies, debit and credit spreads, covered calls, synthetic covered calls, and calendars, just to name a few. The biggest lesson I learned that contributed to my success this year, and it's not going to be an exciting one for most of you, is buying stock and using options as an instrument to complement my stock positions. I was an options only kind of guy. In the past 4 years of trading, about 80% of the time I only bought short-dated naked options. I was using options as the only outlet in my point of view to make fast, quick money. Now my portfolio most of the time is made of around 80% stocks and 20% options. I still use options and naked options only to hedge my portfolio or to take high convicted trades. Options is now just a tool, and I use it as it was intended to be used. I now use it as a way to hedge or insure my portfolio and take small speculative trades when I see an opportunity. Once I took this approach, I began to see the market in a different way. I began to see the cycles in which the market trades. Markets are not linear, and you have pullbacks and corrections. When your portfolio is primarily made of stock investments, you begin to see these cycles with clarity and begin to see how you can add option strategies to take advantage of the market cycles with ease. Hence why I called the channel Options Temple, to understand the market movement and tempo while taking advantage of the market cycles with options. As a failing options only trader for 4 years, these were the biggest lessons I've learned. Stop YOLOing weekly or bi-weekly naked options. I've also paid for options flow services, giving me the smart money's biggest bets, and failed miserably. Now let's take a look at my positions going into 2021. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. Let's start off with this weekly Tesla straddle I just opened today. Although I just finished saying not to do weekly YOLO options, and this seems like a weekly YOLO options trade, it's actually a hedge to my bullish portfolio. I roll weekly and monthly puts just in case of a black swan event. I consider this money lost. The position is also a very small percentage of my overall portfolio. And I typically only buy puts, but in Tesla's case, I also bought an out of the money call because Tesla tends to run every week for no reason. The total cost of this out of the money straddle is $500. Once Tesla reached $700 today, I thought it was a perfect time to do this strategy. If Tesla moves around $100 up or down next week, I have the potential to make a few $1,000s. It's a small position with high risk, high reward. The next one is GHIV. I have 6 calls for March. I made a video on this stock. Click on the card above to view the video. Then I have 1 March call, PSTH. This position is a starter position and I might add to it over time. FCEL is a new position I opened today. I have 10 April calls and I'll be making a video covering this stock for my next video. Make sure to stay tuned for that one. The following VLPQ and WILL1 positions was a strategy I was testing and failed. I can't get rid of these positions. I can't even give them away. They are daily eyesores and I wish I can remove them. Maybe I need to email Robinhood and see if they can remove those for me. Now for the bread and butter of my portfolio. These are my top stock positions in order from my most favorite to my least. I'm not going to go over these in detail. If you would like to know more information on these positions, make sure to follow me. I have covered most of these on my channel already. Before the video ends, I'm going to share my all-time performance in this account. These are not superhero returns, but my trading journey up until this point has taught me and given me the tools I need to be a successful market participant. Just because you lose year over year, don't beat yourself down for it. In the long run, your exponential gains will average out your previous losses, and all of a sudden you'll become an overnight success with 18% yearly returns. These are not earth-shattering numbers, but I'm very optimistic for the future of my investing and trading career. I wish you all a safe and happy New Year's. 2020 was a historical year with a huge world shift in the way we will forever live. Let's stay focused and prepare for a better, profitable 2021. That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more trading and investing ideas. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. I trade and invest very aggressively for rapid growth according to my risk tolerance.